Yeah, I think we played like really hard tonight, and we left it all on the court, going after loose balls and getting a lot of rebounds and scoring a lot. I think that's probably like some of the best basketball we've played because we were all just talking, and I think that was a big thing for us: communication on defense, not to let them just get a free drive to the basket. So I think talking and playing our game was how we got that far.
Yeah, I thought defensively that was maybe one of your guys' best games. You kept a lot of things in front of you. Is that the thing that you were most impressed with defensively?
Yeah, we all last week we were watching Huddle and just figuring out who our matchups were and how we would defend them. And I think we knew what to do, but we were kind of nervous playing in front of this big crowd because it was our first time here. But then once we got the hang of it after like the first quarter, then I think we played our best defense after that.
Just seemed like maybe in the fourth quarter you guys lost him a couple times in transition, and then Lindemann got a couple post touches and got going. It was kind of trading baskets and who could ever come up with the first stop or two, and they were able to get it.
Yeah, that was kind of hard for us because if everybody was going to rebound, we forgot to have a safety on the back, and then they would get a free run down there. But if that would happen, then we would try to push the ball back up the court because we like to play fast, and then we would try to get a transition layup off of that like they did, or shoot a three because JCI was really great at shooting threes, so we would try to get that or give and go.
What does this experience do for you guys, having everybody except one player coming back next season? What to get to experience this now? What does this do for this group now going into the off season and next year?
This gives us like more hope and confidence that we can do big things because if we know we made it this far, we know we can make it a little farther next year if we work harder in the summertime and just push ourselves the way we have been.